Here are exclusive photos taken on February 23, 2025 of the Martin JRM Mars flying boat destined for the Pima Air and Space Museum in Tucson, Arizona. Called Philippine Mars, the giant seaplane landed on Arizona's Lake Pleasant on February 10. Since then, the Mars is being carefully prepared and disassembled as needed for over-the-road delivery to the Pima Museum, some 160 miles away. We have found no published date for delivery as of this writing. The Pima Museum promises the Mars will be unharmed in this meticulous process and will be reassembled at the museum. I'm Fred Johnson for the Airailimages channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you are not already part of our nearly 120,000 subscribers. We appreciate it.